Hi darlings, good morning, good afternoon and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Tina on Immaculate show. Really guys, are you struggling to come up with fresh content ideas for YouTube channel? I know yes, because some people are like asking me, how do you get your topics, Christine, every day? And not only every day, but twice, thrice a day. How do you get them? Imagine having an unlimited supply of creative video topics that attract viewers and keep them coming back for more. In this video, I will reveal powerful strategies to unlock unlimited content ideas for YouTube. Even if you're just starting today, even if you're just a beginner, be with me. You guys, the first step for you to get this, I want you to leverage on trending topics. I've been telling you this is what I do. Start exploring trending topics in your niche. In platforms like Google Trends, yes. You can also use YouTube trending page, and even Twitter can help you spot what is hot right now. This is how you're going to get your topics. Your topics, they are not born within you, they are around you. Yes. And why do you think it works? Trending topics grab attention quickly and boost your chances of getting discovered. Just make sure for you to put your unique spin on its topic to stand out. I advise you to use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find trending keywords and incorporate them with these trending topics in titles and even in subscription. That is the first one. The second one is to solve common problems. You guys, what do you think are these common problems that your audience, your community have? Think about the question your audience might have. They might have. Use platform like Quora, Reddit, or even YouTube comments to identify the pain points. These ones, they can make you create videos that provide clear and actionable solutions. I've used this, like I've so far done like 7 videos out of identifying the common problems to solve them. Common problems, like I remember someone was asking, can you earn when you are just with 100 subscribers and without 4,000? That is a problem people need to be solved. There's one that I'll be bringing up soon. Someone asked about, can I still get monetized with shorts on YouTube? That is also a problem to be solved by doing a video on it. So you guys, the advice I give you, if you're in this you want to solve common problems, if you're in the fitness niche, look questions like how to lose weight without the gym and create a video about it. If you're in education like mine, especially in finance, look for titles in your niche like how to make money without even showing your face, because it is a problem. Then step 3, you repurpose evergreen content. I talked about evergreen content. I feel you can visit our previous video before this one. If a video titled how to save money, you guys, this is evergreen. Evergreen content is timeless, continues to attract viewers. Look for what already performing well in your niche and create updated one or complementary version of these videos. Yes, like for example, if you go in your niche, like in this week, which one was really going so fast, that is green. Then you also see in this last 6 months, which one is still attracting viewers. These are evergreen content. Then you do them, then you're going to make it. If I give you an example of repurposing evergreen content, is like one video, maybe you made a video on how to save money fast. This one is very popular. You can make it and say 10 more tips to save more money quickly. So it is going to remain evergreen. When we go to the step 4 of how to use to get ideas, you use the YouTube search bar. The YouTube search bar is a gold mine for content ideas. Start typing a keyword search to your especially to your niche. When you put them there, YouTube automatically will bring for you suggestion that will show you what people are searching for. If you type how to start, you will see a lot of YouTube channels that are coming. So there you are, you start and do. Then the 5th one is to engage with your audience. Your audience is a gold mine too. I was talking about it recently. Your audience is your best source of inspiration. Read their comments on your videos, ask questions in your community post, and pay attention to what your subscribers want to see. If I give you an advice on this, you run polls and question and answer session to directly gather ideas from your viewers, and you get what to make a video on. Then the step 6 is to analyze competitors. Look at successful channels in your niche and analyze their content. What topics are they covering? Which of their videos is performing well? Use these insights to create your unique and improved version of their content. I always do this, so that's why I decided to bring it for you. And you know, how do I get my ideas? The last but not least, the 7th way of getting idea, I use AL and content tools. I use like ChatGPT, I use Jasper, I use Canva to brainstorm and create ideas. And even they do transcript for me, for your own information. All this one I do, they do my transcript. It's what I do, I just put what I want and they generate for me. These tools can generate hundreds of content ideas based on your keywords on each. Even you might even fail to finish the ideas until you give up. So what you do, be a friend to these the ChatGPT, Jasper, Canva. Be their friend. You will thank me later. You guys, if you really see, like, if I'm going to ChatGPT now, I'm going to put there, I want the best 6 trending topics in ChatGPT, or 3, 4. You can see the way it is coming. It will bring for me, and now it will be up to me to see how do I make it, how do I do it. So unlocking unlimited content ideas for YouTube is all about strategy and consistent. By exploring trends, topics, solving problems, engage with your audience, and using AL tools, you will never run out of video ideas. Instead, they will outweigh you. You'll find you have very many ideas. Start implementing these tips today and watch your channel grow, guys. With the fresh, with even engagement, even the way people interact with you, it will grow, because I've seen it work for me. If you found this video, you guys, helpful for you, for people who have been thinking that you cannot get ideas to post every day, they go around, please, if you think you can use one of these methods or all the methods, please, I want you to go to the comment section, give us a thumbs up, give us at least a peck. You can go ahead, share these videos. You tell other people outside there, you know, the goal is to make money. The goal is to make sure that our phones are making us at least $100. If it is not per day, let it be in 2 days. I love you so much, you guys. Let's keep in touch. Bye bye.